So before we dive into coding of Python, let we will first have introduction related to Python. So Python has been invented in the Netherlands in the early 90s by the Guido van Rossum, and the name of Python has been done after Monty Python. It's open source from the beginning, consider a scripting language, but it is much more beyond that, and it's a scalable, object oriented and functional programming, and it has been used by Google and much more MNCs, and day by day it has been increasing much more popularity. So Python is an experiment in how much freedom programmers need. Too much freedom and nobody can read another's code. Too little and expensiveness has been endangered. So this is the statement of the invention of Python by Guido van Rossum.